everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Reels not uploading on the application of Facebook. We go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about the application of Facebook. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.